So ayun guys, on behalf of GFH Street Team, we would like to give thanks to all come, visit, and dine with us here in Sheikh Amar Street, Rauda 3, Ajman, UAE guys. We share a good food and good memories and good treasure that and the good moments that we've been through. So guys, we're inviting all of you to please come and visit to the new location of your GFH Street restaurant located at 35th Street, Mahara Building, shop number 13, Rashidia 1, Ajman, UAE, guys. Happy moments will continue there at the new location of your GFH Street restaurant. Hope to see you all of there, guys. So once again, guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you, guys.